In this quick video, I want to show you how to get your free $25 off coupon on an eBay store. If you are an eBay seller, the only requirement is that you have to have at least the basic store that you are subscribed to with eBay as a seller. It's fairly simple to do, and I want to show you the direct way to get to it. Now, just keep in mind that you get it one every quarter, so the first one you can get is January the 1st, second one would be April the 1st, third one would be July the 1st, and then the last one, I believe, is September the 1st, if I'm not mistaken, is the fourth one that you get. You get $25 off. So let's go ahead and find it. So if you're logged in, the only thing you have to do is go to the upper right here where it says sell. And then from sell, what you're going to do is go all the way to where it says store right here. And then just go to subscriber discounts right here. And it should automatically pop up here on the left. So you just click on see details. And then this will give you the coupon code. Of course, I got mine blurred out. Just copy it. And then when you click this little button here, it says start shopping. It'll take you directly to the store, but if you forget, if you come back later, just type in eBay packing supply store in the search column, it'll pop up. But start shopping. Not interested in that. Alright, and then this will show you all the items. Now keep in mind they give you $25 off. Don't be tempted to spend. Yeah, you do get a discount if you get more than one, for example. Let's see this one right here with these zipper for shirts and stuff that you can get. Now the $25 will pay the full $23.75. I would have $1 left over, which I'm assuming I would not use. Let's say if I go to $250, but you'd be better off just to find another supplier and you don't have that fancy eBay label on it, logo on it. And then you'll be able to get it for a lot less if you just buy from a regular eBay seller that's buying it directly from China. Don't be tempted to spend an additional $30 or $40 on your shipping supplies because you want to use up the full $25 and there's $1 left. Just go without the $1 because they are marked up because they has the eBay logo on it. And again, on eBay you can find another supplier that's selling the exact same thing just without the logo and much cheaper. Alright, and in the comment section I'll put a direct link to this, so if you don't want to go through your store or go through your account and then just click on it, I'll put a direct link at the end or in the comment section. Alright, thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe.